Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. Are you excited for today's activity? Yes, so let's start. And our activity is we will play with puzzles. We will play with puzzles. And do you know what are the benefits that we get by solving a puzzle or assembling a puzzle? Do you know? Okay, I am going to tell you. There are a lot of benefits. When you assemble a puzzle, you enhance your gripping. Okay, you develop your gripping power. And when you assemble the puzzle, you enhance your eye and hand coordination. You enhance your eye and hand coordination. Okay, so there are a lot of benefits and you get very much fun also. Okay, and you enjoy. So let's start our puzzle. Okay, look, I have two puzzles for you children. Look here. Okay, so look, what is this? This is a puzzle, and what is this? This is a car puzzle. Okay, this is a car puzzle. So let me keep it the parts here and we will assemble all this. Okay, are you excited children? Yes, we all are excited. So let's assemble. Okay, we will place these parts in the car puzzle. Okay, so tell me which part will I start from? I will start with these. Okay, it seems to be the tire. Okay, it seems to be the tires of the car. So let's place it here. Yes, very good. And now I will again place the tire. First we will place all the tires of the car. Okay, so it will be helpful to us. So this is one tire and I will place one tire here. Yes, very good. And now I will place another tire. Okay, here is one tire. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I will place this tire. Yes. Okay, children. So tell me how many tires we have in a car. Do you know how many tires we have in a car? Tell me. We have 4 tires. Okay, we have 4 tires in the car. Okay, so where will I place it? Okay, wait a minute. Yes, very good. No, I will not place it here. Yes, so this is the front part of the car. We have completed the front part. Okay, and now I will place it here. Yes, very good. And now, okay, look here the window is missing. Are you looking? Here the window is missing and here is window. Look, here the back side window is missing. So we will place it here. And one is remaining. So I will place it here. Look, we have completed the car puzzle. Okay children, tell me what is the color of this car? Tell me what is the color of this car? This is a red color car. This is a red color car and car has 4 tires. Okay, car has 4 tires. Okay children, so I will keep it aside and we will start our next puzzle. And this is our next puzzle. Children, tell me what is this? Tell me what is this thing? Have you seen this? This is a sheep. This is a sheep. Okay, so let me try. I will place this part. Yes. Very good, children. Okay, so now I think this is the back side of the shape. This is the back side. Yes, this is the back side of the shape. Okay, so now there are windows. Okay, there are windows, and here is window, and there is a red color patch over here. So we will place, look, here there is window and here there is window. Here is a red color patch and here is a red color patch. So we will place this part here and it matches. Very good. And now we will place these parts and we have finished our puzzle. This is a puzzle of a ship, and shape is a water transport. Okay, we take our goods from here and there from the ship. We also travel through the ship, but traveling through ship is very time taking. Okay, very time taking, but you enjoy a lot. So this is a puzzle of a ship, and ship is a water transport. Okay, children. So now we have assembled the puzzles. And what puzzle we assembled? We assembled the car puzzle and ship puzzle. So now let's move forward towards our next activity. And do you know what is our next activity? Okay, I am showing you and you have to guess. Look here. Can you guess what is our next activity? Yes, we will review the shapes. Okay, I have already told about you about the shapes. So today we will review about the shapes. Okay, we will review again about the shapes. So children, tell me, which shape is this? Look, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a square shape. Which shape? It is a square shape. How many sides are there? There are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in a square, all the 4 sides are same. In a square shape, all the 4 sides are same. Okay. So now we will pick our next shape, and our next shape is this. You know which shape is this? This is a circle shape. Which shape? Circle shape. Okay, round, round, round and round, round and round. Circle shape. Round and round, circle shape. Okay, children, I have told you what are the other things you have seen that is round in shape. Your chapati, round and round. Your pizza, round and round. And CD, that is also round, round. And the bangles your mama wear, that is also round and round. So this is the circle shape. Okay, now we will pick our next shape, and our next shape is this. Look, which shape is this? This is triangle shape. Which shape? Triangle shape. And how many sides are there? Count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 sides in a triangle. In a triangle we have how many sides? We have 3 sides. Very good, children. So now we will pick our next shape. And which shape is this? This is a rectangle shape. Which shape? Rectangle shape. Rectangle shape has also 4 sides. But, okay, how many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 2 rectangle shape. So children, now we have reviewed the shapes. Which shape we have reviewed? Tell me children. We have reviewed the circle shape, triangle shape, square shape and rectangle shape. Okay, so now let's move towards our next activity. And our next activity is learning. Okay, learning for caring for others. Learning of caring for others. Children, do you care? Do you care? Yes, we all care for us. We all care for our family and we all care for others. How do they feel? Okay. We all care and caring is very good. Caring is very good. You must take care of yourself. You must take care of your family members and you must take care of others too. Okay. So first let's sing a song. Okay. Are you excited? Yes. So let's start and you have to sing along with me. Okay. So let's start. We come to school and like to say, care for one another every day. We learn together and we play peacefully every day. Okay, did you enjoy? Yes, very good. So now let's sing another song. Okay. Let's be kind, let's be kind in our heart and in our mind, in our heart and in our mind, to our family and to our friends, to our family and to our friends. Let's be kind, let's be kind. So children, now I am going to tell you why we should care for others. Okay, so listen. You care for yourself. Okay, you care for yourself, and how do you care for yourself? You care your hygiene, you care for your cleanliness. Just like that, you have to care for others. How do they feel? You should not behave like that, that somebody feels sad or somebody gets upset with you. Okay? You have to, for that what you have to do? You have to respect others. You have to respect your elders. You have to respect your family members. Okay? And what are the extra things that you have to do to care, to show your care to others? That are, you have to help others when they need. You have to help. You are going somewhere or there is a small boy. If he needs your help, then you have to help him. You must help him or you must help others. Okay. And what else you can do to show your care? You can play with them. You can share your things. When your friends came to your house, okay, you have a lot of toys at your home, and when somebody came to your house, what you will do? You share your toys with them. Okay, so this is a way to show care for others. Okay, and there are some more ways to show your care to others. In your family, when somebody gets sick, okay, when somebody gets sick, so what you will do? You take care of themselves. You can get a glass of water to your grandfather and grandmother. So there are a lot of ways to show care for others. And listen children, caring for others is very good. It is a very good manner. If you will care for others, then all will like we assembled the puzzle, we reviewed the shape, okay, we reviewed the shapes and we learned about caring, okay, we learned about caring for others and caring for ourselves. So now, children, bye bye.